Hello, friends. It's great to have you here. Get ready to restore your energy and rev up your brain. Let's start moving. I'm Miss AP, here to help restore your energy. Today, we are going to be jumping, but before we do that, let's start with our warm-up. We are going to be running in place by the count of 10. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, everyone. Now that we have warmed up our bodies, we are ready to jump. To get ready to jump, we are going to pretend to stand like a pencil. Watch me. Look at how I stand up straight like a pencil. I pull my torso up. I'm standing tall. Arms are at my sides. Feet are together. This is our ready position. From our ready position, look at what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bend my knees, jump with 2 feet at the same time. I'm gonna try it 2 more times. Bend at the knees, jump, 2 feet at the same time. 1 more time, jump, same time. Now we're gonna try it together. Let's try jumping 20 times and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Give yourselves a big clap, clap. Nice job. Let's start our cool down. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Great job. Wow, that was some awesome work. You just finished a 2-minute movement snack to restore your energy. Now get ready to jump back into learning. Remember to use the exercise snack we just finished to keep moving all day long.